Hey, this is Tristan Bull here. Thanks for watching this video. What we're going to do is walk you through the Digital Staple platform, and this is going to give you a more comprehensive demonstration of what exactly this platform can do and just how powerful it is. So one of the many things that we can do for you and your business is help automate things and help really keep things all in the one place, so then you can simply manage your business without having to log into about 10 different servers and websites and things like that. So we have our own contact manager. Okay, so if you already have leads that you have, you can import those to our system, so then you can manage all of your leads. You can connect all of your different websites to our system, and then you can actually publish content to those websites using the Digital Staple platform. Okay, so if you want to add your blogs and your social media accounts and things like that, you can, and then you link them with our platform, and then you can just manage and post to them all from the one place. Pretty cool stuff. We also offer free website hosting, so you can actually host your own websites with Digital Staple, and we also provide a lot of self-hosted pages and templates. Now, let's jump into the email side of things, because what we believe is we have what we like to call the ultimate autoresponder. Okay, so there's a few different ways that you can actually access it. I'm inside the dashboard, and as you can see, there's lots of different things going on here, and we'll get to all of them in a minute. But I just want to show you the autoresponders because they're pretty cool. So you can access it by simply hitting that send email button. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that right now. Very straightforward. If you're familiar with autoresponders, it's nothing that you won't understand, but a very simple and clean, easy to use interface. Okay, so this is the broadcast section. So this would be the subject of your email, and then this is the editor. Okay, so we have as a WYSIWYG editor. Okay, so you can add HTML, you can add images, you can even embed videos and things like that. Very simple, very easy to do. The code right there is just on the right hand side there, where you can address people by their first names and things like that. So all you do is fill out your email, select what your actual lead, who you actually want to send it to. Okay, so once you upload your contacts, then you can choose who you want to send it to, and then just hit send. Okay, you can schedule it to go out right now, or you can go out later, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that is the email autoresponder. Now, most people kind of just leave it at that, but like I said, we believe that we have the ultimate autoresponder because we don't just do email, we also do SMS and direct mail. So let me walk you through that as well. Oh, and also we provide an absolutely unlimited email autoresponder. Okay, so we don't charge you for the amount of leads that you have. You can, if you have a list, there's a lot of marketers out there. So if you already have a list, you can import that with us for free. We're not going to charge you to import your list. You can send as many emails as you like to as many people as you like. Okay, so Aweber GetResponse, they put limits on how many contacts you can have and how many emails you can send per month and all this kind of stuff. You have a truly unlimited email autoresponder, absolutely free of charge. We do not charge you, based on how many contacts you have or how many emails you send that month. Okay, so I just want to mention that as well. Okay, so under the My Tools section, as you can see here, we have broadcasters and autoresponders. The simple difference is a broadcast is when you send out an instant message. If you want to set up a follow-up sequence where you have multiple messages scheduled, over time, if you're building a campaign, that's how you do it. You simply go under the autoresponders. Okay, so let me show you the SMS and the voice broadcast. Super easy to do. Okay, so from here, you would simply select your contacts. Okay, now obviously you need to upload your contacts if you don't have any, or you need to capture these contacts, but you must have permission to send them mobile messages or SMS messages and voicemail and that kind of stuff. But I want to show you the actual ease of the actual process. Okay, so your recipient type is fairly simple. You can select all of your contacts, you can select your contact group, you can even select an individual contact. Okay, so let's just say, for example, someone purchases a product and you want to send them a welcome SMS or something like that. You can specify in this section here who exactly you want to contact. So let me show you how easy it actually is. This is one of the most easiest interfaces for actually sending text messages that you'll probably ever come across. So we have the SMS text message or the actual phone broadcast. So let me show you the text message. Extremely simple. Message. So this box here, message, is the actual box that you type in your SMS message. Okay, so it's extremely simple. So you would just put in whatever you want to send out to your contacts. Okay, so check this out, or whatever it is, you actually send your actual marketing message or whatever to your leads like that. So from here we have date to send and time to send. Okay, so if you want to send it right now, then you obviously just send it right now. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it. You can schedule a broadcast, and again, the autoresponders work with all of our email, our SMS, and our direct mail. So you can schedule text messages 6 months from now if you want. You just go under the autoresponders section for that. So literally that is all you do. You hit that send message button, and that text message will go out to your contact's mobile phone straight away, instantly. Okay, that's all, hands free. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Okay, now we charge a very, very low fee of just 2 cents per text. Okay, so this is why you can see the buy credits here. So you just load up your account. As you can see, it'll pop up there, and then you are good to go. Very simple, very easy to do. One of the most powerful and easy SMS systems out there. Now, let me show you the voicemail system. Okay, again, super simple, super easy to manage. All you need to do here is upload your audio file. Okay, so it has to be in MP3 format. You can simply record it on your computer, or maybe you have a recording already done, or we get it professionally recorded, whatever it may be. You simply upload your MP3 file. Once it's uploaded, you hit send, and the exact same thing will happen. Okay, so it will send out to your recipients, and they will receive an actual voicemail on their phone. Okay, super powerful stuff, super easy to do. There's not really much. It's simple, but it works extremely well. Super simple, super easy to do. Okay, so let's move on to the actual direct mail autoresponder. Again, under my tools, broadcasters, hit postcard here. Okay, so this is the direct mail broadcast interface. Again, extremely easy. We like to keep things simple over here, right? So here's how this works. So what you want to do is select the actual size of your postcard. Okay, so these are the standard sizes right here, 5x8 or 4x6. Now, you can actually design your own postcard within Digital Staple. Okay, so that's a whole other section. We haven't covered that yet, but you can design everything that you need right here. See, what happens with direct mail is, first, you need to hire a designer, then you need to get it printed, then you need to get it shipped. So in most cases, you're going to have to go to 3 separate companies, pay 3 separate fees just to run a direct mail campaign. And on top of that, usually you have to do a minimum order. Okay, so you're going to have to purchase 200 or 500 postcards up front before you do anything. Okay, so that's why this is just so powerful, because you don't have to worry about any of that. We handle it all for you right here in our system. Okay, so you select the size of the postcard that you want to send out. Then you actually need to upload the actual file itself. Okay, so if you have the file on your desktop, then you simply choose file and upload it. Or if you happen to have it online, if it's hosted online somewhere, then you can actually insert the URL for that image as well and just place it there. Okay, and again, you can design your own postcards within our system too. So you would simply just save it to your desktop and then upload it. But you may have one already to go, or you've hired someone else to do it, or whatever. But that's how it works. Okay, fairly simple. You just upload the actual file right there. Okay, so the order number, you don't need to worry about that. That's on our end. Then the contact and the contact group. Okay, so like I was saying, most companies force you to purchase a minimum order. We do not do that. You can send out as many or as little postcards as you want, which is absolutely incredible. You can actually send out an individual postcard. You can simply do it from here. Okay, so by contact or by contact group. Okay, so then you'll just select the individual person that you want to send, or you can send them out to the to your contact groups. Okay, so here are your contact groups. So again, maybe someone's just purchased one of your products and you would like to send them, you know, a nice little postcard saying, hey, thanks, welcome to the team, or something like that. You can easily do that. Or on the flip side, you know, maybe you have some really loyal clients that you want to reward individually. So you send them an individual postcard, you know, if they've been with you for 6 months or 12 months or something like that. Or even, you know, birthday cards or you know, Christmas or Mother's Day, Father's Day. We can do that for you as well. So you can just simply select the person you want to send out and go bang. So from here, it's pretty straightforward. So you've obviously uploaded your artwork. You have selected your contact group or multiple contact groups or an individual. And then from here, you just simply hit send, okay? So the date and time simply means when you want to place your order, okay? So obviously it's a physical, you know, postcard that's been delivered in the mail. So once you hit send, then we'll print it out, then we'll, you know, package it in the envelope, ship it out, and send it to your customer's door. And that process obviously isn't an instant process. But if for some reason you wanted us to not begin that process until next week or, you know, 2 weeks from now, that's when you would change that. Or you would simply use the autoresponder, and then you can schedule multiple postcards. And yeah, so you would hit send, and that's literally it. Okay, very, very simple process, very similar to the previous things. Again, same deal with the credits. Okay, so you simply have to purchase credits here. But that's it. You don't have to worry about anything else. Once you hit that send button, everything is taken care of. You don't have to, you know, keep contacting multiple companies and all that kind of stuff. We do everything for you. Absolute insane, you know, no one else can do direct mail like this. So it's extremely, extremely powerful. And you have that right at your fingertips.
Okay, so back at the dashboard now, I want to walk you through our websites feature, because we believe that we have pretty much every type of website that you would need covered for you. Okay, so from the dashboard you can simply hit websites, or you can access it from the tools menu as well. So this is our little websites portal. Okay, so we have our authority sites. Our authority sites is simply where you add your own website and host it on our servers. Okay, so I'll just show you that really quickly. So you would simply hit authority sites, and then you would point your name servers to our Digital Staples servers, and then you would add it from there. Okay, so with a remote site, all you would do is simply add your externally hosted website. So if you have any sites that are hosted on your own servers, or if you want to add different profile accounts and things like that, then you can as well. Now, one really cool thing that we have is we actually have a partnership with WooThemes, where you have exclusive free access to over 50 themes that would usually cost you $99 if you're going to buy them individually from WooThemes. So all you do, so for example, let's just say you've added a website. You simply click on this, and this happens to be a WordPress website. Okay, now you have a complete dashboard here, so you can access your WordPress dashboard from within the Digital Staples system. Now let me just show you the WooThemes really quickly. So these are a whole bunch of WooThemes. Like I said, each of these themes you can purchase individually at WooThemes for $99. You have access to all of these 100% free. Okay, so there's over $5,000 worth of themes here just from WooThemes. So these are really obviously high quality, stunning themes that you can use for your WordPress site. So when you add WordPress sites to our system, you can simply and easily add these themes to it. A click of the button will actually install that theme for you. Okay, so let's just jump back over to the dashboard, hit websites, and we're back on our website. So that's authority sites, and that's a remote sites, our remote site section. We have our website builder. Okay, we have a whole bunch of personalized and customized themes that we've added into the system that you can see right here. So a whole bunch of different themes. Now these are templates that you can edit, that you can add, that are hosted with us. Okay, so they're hosted with Digital Staple. You get the actual URL for each individual page. As you can see, we have lots of different ones. We are always adding. We have a professional graphics team that are on staff that are always making new templates and uploading them to your to this section here, so that you can access them for free. Okay, so you simply hit edit page and you're good to go. Now I want to show you again dashboard websites, some of the other cool things that we can do with Digital Staples. So we can build you these really cool forms, light boxes that we use that you've probably seen around. So let me just give you an example. So the background page wizard is going to allow you to build these really cool pages that convert really well and are pretty cool. So this is how it works. We have our image right here, so we simply hit choose file and select the image. Now you can grab an image from the graphics library inside Digital Staple. You can design your own image using Digital Staple. You can edit any image. It's very easy to do within the graphics center, okay? So then we hit proceed. And this is going to take us to the nice little form builder. This is really cool. So as you can see here, it gives you a live example of how things are looking. So you have these nice, really cool backgrounds with the little opt-in box. So we're sort of building squeeze pages here. Now you can check out the background color. You can change that with ease. Okay, simply choose whatever one that you like. Then you can move it, so you can make it wider or whatnot. The transparency, if you want it see-through, you can, or you just, if you want to make it a hole like that, or if you want to make it a little bit see-through, the roundness of it. So these sliders were designed to make things really simple and really easy instead of messing around with code and things like that. The border, the thickness of the border, you can change that. You can change the color of the border. Doesn't really matter, whatever you like. Okay, so again, this is not a designing lesson here. I'm just playing around with it really. So you can add drop shadows, so you can really dark drop shadow, no drop shadow. You can actually move it around the page. Okay, so you get the idea. So then we hit proceed. Okay, so very easy. The sliders make it extremely easy. Now this is where we actually add our fields. Okay, so your first name, last name, if you want to add their phone number, add their address, their city, and also we can add your own custom fields. So if you want to add your own, if you want to collect any type of information that we don't have listed here, you simply hit add new field and you can do that as well. All right, so very straightforward, very easy. We hit proceed. Now all we need to do is add an actual button, okay? So a sign up button or a join now button. If you have your own, you can upload it. If you would like to simply use a simple button like this, you can, or you can just change the text so that it will say whatever you want. Or you can use one of our pre-loaded buttons here, okay? So you can just select either one and then hit proceed. So from here, we are taken to the area where we can actually add content and text to it, okay? So if you want to add like a headline or a little thing before or below it, this is how you do it. Very simple. You simply hit the switch, okay? Kind of straightforward. So above form, outside box is this part here, above form, outside box. If you want to have a headline above the box, if you want to have a headline or some text inside the box, below the sign up form, you can do that. So whichever one you want, you can have all of them on, all of them off, either one. So let's just leave these two on for an example. Then we'll hit proceed. And now we're taken to the actual designing part where we can add our content. Okay, so by default we just have put your content here. So then you can edit this again, full WYSIWYG editor. So you can change it up. You can add the change the font, the sizes here. You can do pretty much whatever you want. Same thing here, so we can just make that orange. Oh, oops, I selected the wrong one. Make that orange, and we'll make this one blue and bigger. Okay, so you get the point. So you can just play around with these things. So then we'll hit save. And now what you want to do is check out view page. Okay, so you click that and it opens up the page in a new window. And this is the page that we just created. So what you want to do is actually, you can't see it on the screen, but you'll just grab the actual URL that's in your browser, and that would be the URL for this page that you could actually use and start sending traffic to. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And obviously, I was just randomly choosing weird colors here, so you could make it look a little bit more prettier than I would. But you can also probably notice our live chat and our social feature. So if we just jump back over here, you can change those in basic settings. Okay, so the title here to give a title of your actual page, and the contact group is how we link it to the autoresponder. Okay, so you can select which lead group that you want. So if you're creating a new promotion, you can create a new contact group for fruit squeeze page in this example, and then you would select that. The redirect URL is the thank you page. So where do they go once they actually sign up? Once they fill out this form and they hit that join button, where are they taken to? And then here's where we can turn the live chat on or off. So live chat or the social inviter on or off. So if you don't want them on, you simply hit off and then you hit save changes. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you can use these really amazing tools to build simple websites. Now, if we just hit back the dashboard and we go back to websites here, you'll see Background Wizard and Lightbox Wizard. Now, the Lightbox Wizard is essentially the exact same thing. The only difference is that you actually have a piece of code that you can put on any website. So the Background Wizard is where it's hosted by ourselves. On the Digital Staples servers. The Lightbox Wizard is you're just creating that actual lightbox, same thing, the sliders, and you can just grab that bit of code and you can put that on top of any website that you want, okay? So yeah, so it's the same thing, so I'm not gonna bother showing you that. So let's head back over now to the dashboard. All right, so now I want to show you the DS Publisher, and this is really one of the most powerful features of the Digital Staple platform. Basically, so I'll just go into it. Basically, this is why you want to add all of your websites as authority sites and remote sites, because what this does is this is where you can manage and actually publish content to all of your different websites and all of your online properties from the one place and from the same time. So how that would work is very simple. So you would obviously add your websites, and on the right hand side you would see them here, okay? So as you would add all your different websites, you would simply select which ones you want to post to. So your blogs, your WordPress blogs, your Blogger blogs, and all the different profiles that you have. You add them to the system, and then they show up here on the publisher. Then you add your content here, okay? So again, full WYSIWYG editor, you can add videos and all that kind of stuff, and then you simply hit publish now, and then you can go out and publish your content to all of your different websites at the same time. Really powerful stuff. You can also schedule it, okay? So if you want to make 30 days worth of blog posts, you simply come here, you quickly add the content, and then you schedule it out, and then you hit publish, and then it's good to go. You don't have to worry about it. This also works very well if you're managing clients' websites, if you're managing other people's blogs and pages and things like that. You can do that from the publisher. Now, as great as that is, we take it one step further because you can actually create amazing content within the publisher. So these little tabs here are basically where you're going to get your content from. So this is the curation tab. Now what that means is you can pull content from a variety of high quality sources, okay? So you can search for Google News, you can pull videos, pull images, search blogs, even actual audio clips, okay? So that's pretty cool. So just to give you a quick demonstration of how it works, you would type in whatever it is that you want, okay? So dogs is a generic one, but you could type in whatever type of content that you're looking for, and what it will go out and search whatever source that you selected, and then it gives you nice little snippets, okay? So then you would simply go through this little list, and then you would add it to editor. Now what this does is add it to your actual the editor right here, which is extremely easy and cool. Now curation, what you need to do with how curation works, it gives a little snippet and then it gives it a direct link, okay? So all of that's done automatically, okay? So you don't have to worry about breaking any rules or anything like that. We've got you covered there. You simply hit the add to editor button and you are good to go. Now this works really well if you're creating like blog posts or something like that. So maybe you want to focus on one particular topic and then have multiple references, okay? So then you could you can add content to this and so forth, and then send that out to all of your blogs. And again, you can do a whole bunch of, you can get sources. So just really quickly just to show you, you could add images, you can add videos here. So if you wanted to add a video as well, then you could do that, and then the video is added there as well, okay? So very simple, very easy to do. Now the Design Center is an absolutely powerful beast of a thing, really. So we have our graphics library where you can go in and you can grab a whole huge massive range of graphics from every possible purpose that you could ever think of. You will never ever have to buy a graphics pack again, because everything inside the graphics library will have you covered. And we have a full-time graphics staff that are always adding new images to the graphics library as well. Then you can use our editors to actually edit those images, to create images from scratch. We have an Express and an Advanced editor. And we also have a meme generator, okay? So you can generate memes which work really well. So you can use the Graphics Center here to get all the types, all and every type of image that you could ever possibly want. And then you can add it directly to the publisher as well, okay? So you can save it to your desktop, or you can use them however you want, but you can also pull them straight to the publisher. Now, let me just wipe this and show you the third thing that we have that will probably blow your mind, to be honest. We have, you can create absolute 100% unique articles using our content tab. Now, how this works is different. We're not spinning articles, we are building articles. We have a huge database of content that has been written, 100% written and edited by human beings, okay? So I mean real people. It's not robot generated, it's not computer generated content, it's actual real content that's being written by real people and edited by real people. So you're getting real readable content that makes sense, that works really well. So all you do is you simply select what type of article that you want, and we have a huge database here of different topics and niches that you can grab articles from. So let's just say golf. So then we hit generate niche article, and look how quickly that pulled up an article. Now this is a unique article that is perfectly readable, okay? So you can sit there and you can just really quickly grab really good high quality content, and then from there you simply hit add article to publisher, and there it is. And then again, you can edit this, you can add, if maybe you're doing a golf piece, so you can use the curator to add a YouTube video or a little news thing or something like that, and a nice little blog post. And then you can do multiple ones, okay? So you're not just limited to one, you have a huge database. And again, this is something that we are always updating, constantly adding new content. Now we take that a little bit further as well. If you want to, you can actually spin the article, okay? So the traditional way that you spin content, we can do that. We have that little button right there, you hit spin article, and that will spin this content that was written by human beings, all right? So then we have what we call our magic button, and that is how we make every single article 100% unique. Now, how it works is it's a specific technology that we use. It's an algorithm that changes the content, that makes it look 100% unique to search engines, but it actually keeps it readable, okay? So it doesn't spit out some gibberish to make it unique. It actually keeps it readable. It just is on the back end, if you will, makes it unique. Again, 100% safe, passed with search engines and all that kind of stuff. You're not going to get Google slapped or penalized or anything like that by using our magic button. Then, just to take it one step further again, we are also integrated with Copyscape, okay? So if you want to check how unique the article is, you simply can with Copyscape, which is obviously the leading tool to check for that. So that is pretty cool. That is the content, and that is the publisher. So again, huge possibilities here for you. You can generate lots of different and amazing content, unique content. No one else can has a huge team that are simply sitting there writing unique content, and it builds it in a way that's always going to be unique. It's always going to be different, and it's always going to make sense, okay? So it works for SEO and for actual real people, okay? So let's head on over back to the dashboard. Now from here, I want to show you a few different things. So we have our DS University. Now this really is where you're going to learn how to be successful with Digital Staple, okay? So inside the DS University, you're gonna have training programs. It's gonna teach you how to use the platform. It's gonna teach you different business principles, different success formulas, proven and tested systems that make money that you can actually learn. Firstly, learn how to do them, okay? So learn the marketing side of things, learn the business side of things, and then take that one step further and learn how to automate them with the Digital Staple platform, okay? So there is tens of thousands of dollars worth of training just inside that little section there. But the really awesome thing is that the training has been created for Digital Staple. So not only will you learn how to do all this amazing stuff, then the advantage that you have over every other training program is, okay, so now that you know how to do that, here's how you actually automate that with the Digital Staple platform. Extremely powerful stuff. We also have our own affiliate program, so if you want to promote Digital Staple, you can, very generous program. Our DS community is our own privately owned SEO optimized social network. Okay, and that is a huge thing. And again, DS University has specific training on how to take advantage of that, but that is absolutely massive. And I keep that under wraps. That's just for the Digital Staple members. Okay, it's a private network, so you can see that once you join the system. Then we have our DS Squad. Okay, DS Squad is a complete department that is absolutely dedicated to helping you achieve success with Digital Staple. So any questions, any comments, if you have support issues, that's where you go. You go to Digital Staple. If you have a request, like a feature request, you want something added to the system, DS Squad is where you want to go. We also have like done for you services, okay? So everything, you know, a huge range of things that you can do within the system. If you don't want to do them yourself, then we will handle them for you, okay? DS Squad is the place for that. Our DS Research module, extremely powerful. Let me just show you that, in fact. Now, by the way, everything that I'm showing you here on the dashboard, these are like you know, short links just to make it easier for you to navigate. Everything here is also in the menu, okay? So DS Research is on the menu as well, so you can find everything on the dashboard within the navigation menu on the left-hand side as well. Now, this is absolutely amazing feature. What you can do is you can basically get a nice, simple report. It's about a 10-page report that's generated that will give you specific instructions that tell you how you can rank your website for a particular keyword or phrase, okay? So all you do is put your URL in there, you put your keyword that you're trying to rank for, you hit scan now, and what it'll do, it'll go out and it'll pull a whole bunch of information, and like I said, put it into a nice little 10-page or so report, and it'll actually go through specifically what you need to do to actually get your website ranked. So it'll tell you what changes you need to make, it'll tell you what you're doing correctly, and at the end it'll give you a nice little checklist of things so that you can actually you know, easily manage that and do that. And actually, the report, the information that you're getting here is extremely valuable. You can go to SEO companies and they'll charge you $1,000 just to complete an audit on your website like this. So you can do this unlimited amount of times. It's extremely powerful stuff. Now, the other cool thing is, see here it says plus competitor URL. You simply add that. And then what you can do is actually track your own website and a competitor's website for the same keyword, so you can find out how you can outrank your competition. Obviously, this is extremely powerful because you're going to get specific information on their website that they don't even know, you know, stuff that they don't even know about. And you're going to get, obviously, the audit on your website, so you'll know exactly what to do to outrank your competition. Hugely valuable stuff. Not only for your own website and for your own business, but if you have an SEO business or if you want to get started and attract SEO clients, a great way to do that is by using this tool, because you can take their website and you can do a little audit on them, and it will tell you exactly how to get their website ranked for their particular keyword. So a great way to land you know, really high-end clients like that. Okay, so that is the research module. So let me just jump back to the dashboard now, and I want to show you one more thing. This is absolutely really cool. It's probably going to blow your mind, okay? And that thing is DS Social. Okay, so from the dashboard, you simply hit DS Social, and then you'll be taken to this page. Now, what DS Social is, this is one of the most, like I said, probably mind-blowing things that you'll ever come across. You can add all of your social media sites, okay? So when I say all of them, I don't just mean all of your different Facebook pages, I mean everything. Now, in fact, let me just quickly show you. So you hit account, you can add your Blogger, Facebook, Foursquare, Google+, Instagram, LinkedIn, Meetup, Pinterest, all of these different social networking sites. You can add your blogs, you can add your YouTube videos, you can even add Google Analytics. We're integrated with Clicky and Bitly as well. So you can add all of this stuff. So you have everything inside the DS social platform that you can simply manage, okay? So the really amazing thing about this is you can manage everything within the one place. You can track everything like with in-depth detail, and you can publish to all of your different social networking sites, okay? So you literally will not have to actually log into all of your different sites. You don't have to log into Facebook, Twitter, and all that kind of stuff. You can just come here, publications, make a publication, and you can actually send that out to all of your different you know, social networking sites at once, okay? Extremely powerful thing. So there is a whole bunch of different things that you can do with this. You can find out an amazing amount of information. So let me just give you an example. So we have our social media accounts here, and you can add as many as you want, okay? So this is just a demo account, so I've just added a few here just to show you the power of it. Now, if we click on summary. What this is going to do is going to give you an overall summary of all of the different networks that you have in the system. Okay, so obviously the more networks that you have, the more information that you're going to receive here. Again, this is just a demo account, but as you can see right here, it's going to tell you what's the most active network. Facebook's going to give you the trend, you know, an increase in activity. It even tells you the actual discussion topics. Okay, extremely important, what your people are actually talking about. And on the right hand side here, this is your feed where you can actually directly interact with people from the DS social platform. You don't have to log in. It's going to tell you the amount of statistics is absolutely amazing. You can find out daily statistics, when the best time to post is. You can actually track conversions. So let me just show you. Let me show you Facebook. So that was the overall summary. Now each social network has its own different little breakdown. Okay, so here is a little breakdown of all the Facebook accounts that I have in the system. And this is extremely powerful because it's showing you all the different things. So page views, your fans, the comments, likes, reach, what people are talking about, how many people are engaged. You can find out a whole bunch of information. What people are talking about on your Facebook pages, even the location of the people, posts. Okay, so it's going to pull up the different amount of posts that you have in your Facebook account. And what you can even do is you can filter those by the most popular. Okay, so you filter by reach, the most engaged, talking about how many likes a particular post got, how many comments, how many shares it got. Extremely valuable information. Now, here's the really cool thing. So right now I'm showing 10 out of 10 accounts. So I'm just gonna deselect a few of these here so it loads up a little bit quicker. But for example, let's just say, okay, so here's a really cool thing I should probably mention. You can add other people's accounts as well, okay? So you can actually track other people's Facebook pages and other people's Facebook groups, okay? You're not limited to just your own, which is really, really powerful because you can actually spy on your competition. You can take someone's Facebook page that you know are making a lot of money from, and you can add their page to the DS social platform, and then you can monitor, you can actually find out what they're doing, how often they're doing it, and like right here, for example, we're in the post section, so we can find out what posts and getting the most likes. Okay, so this is checking out Brendon Burchard's Facebook page, extremely successful marketer. So we can find out, okay, so this one got what? 13,000 likes, and this is the exact post. Okay, so you can simply come here and say, okay, wow, these particular posts, whatever they may be, and you can actually see them. So these are images that he's posting here. Okay, these are the most, these are the posts that are getting the most likes here. You can do it from shares as well. Okay, so you can find out, okay, so this particular one got 21,000 shares, so that's probably going to help you go viral. So you can do that with a whole bunch of different things. Okay, so it's extremely powerful stuff. You can actually track by like I said, the time of day. What is the best day to actually post, the best time of day, what is the best day of the week that get the most activity, all this kind of stuff. All of these things are here for you. You can generate reports. Okay, extremely powerful for you and your clients if you want to generate reports to send out to your clients and say, hey, here's what your Facebook page done this week. Extremely powerful. If you want to post to all of your stuff, I'll just show you really quickly. So you can schedule a publication. Okay, so what you can do is you simply type in your publication right here and select what accounts that you want to post it to. Okay, so you can actually post to other people's accounts. So if you want to write something on someone else's wall, you can, or if you want to do something that post it on your own page. So you would select whatever pages that you manage, boom, 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 and then type it in and then hit publish now. You can do the same thing for Twitter, because obviously Twitter is a little bit limited with 140 characters, so you can simply do that in the Twitter thing. You can also add conversion rates. Okay, so what you need to do is we have our own little conversion script. You simply copy and paste that code, and then you can actually track what over all of your different networks, what is generating the most money for you. So what's generating the most clicks, opt-ins, and actual sales. Okay, extremely powerful stuff. Now the search agent thing is actually pretty cool as well. So what you can do is the search agents. Let me just jump back to the summary here. Okay, so I'm just showing you the summary of the one page that I have selected. Okay, so I just have one Brendon Burchard page, so it's showing you all the different things here. Let me just get rid of that. But with the search agents, what you can do here, I'll just show you, is that you can actually monitor particular keywords over all different social networks. Okay, so this here is just a random example, Game of Thrones on Facebook. The amount of activity on Facebook that the keyword Game of Thrones is getting, you can search for a whole bunch of different keywords over a whole bunch of different networks, okay? And then it also tells you the actual influencers. So you can find out who are the people that are making the most influence on that particular keyword, which is extremely powerful. So if you're targeting a certain thing that you want to know, okay, is this a good market, is this a good niche to enter, you can monitor this on an ongoing basis, okay? So this keeps you up to date, so you can you simply add a search agent, and then you're good to go. So really quickly, new agent everywhere. See, so let me just show you. So these are all the different networks that you can actually search for. This is insane research. The amount of research that you can do right here from DS Social is absolutely insane. As you can see, you could monitor Friendster or Google News or Google Blog. All of these different sources that you can monitor, even Bing, BBC. It's almost insane. So you can do that for any keyword that you want, and then you can actually directly interact with these people, because it tells you exactly who are doing these things. Absolutely insane, really powerful stuff. You can create your own goals. Okay, so if you're going to hit your page to 1,000 likes or 100,000 likes or whatever it may be, you can set up a goal, and it'll help you track that and do monitor your progress on that. The address book, another really powerful thing, where you can actually have all of your different people through different networks. Okay, so you can contact them through different networks, so they're not just if you don't have their email address or whatever, it'll add all of the different contact methods that you have for those people in the system. Okay, really quickly to show you the time, because I mentioned that before. So it's a pretty powerful system. Obviously, you can do a whole bunch of different things. And you can track and you can monitor your own stuff, you can track your competition, you can literally model the most successful people on all these different networks. Again, it's not just Facebook. You can monitor people who are making an absolute killing with LinkedIn, okay? Pinterest. I mean, how many people are making an absolute fortune with Pinterest? So you can simply go in there and find out exactly what they're doing, how they're doing it, track it, and then replicate it, and then be successful yourself. So just to show you, so in this case, it would be Wednesday would be the most popular, Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Okay, is insanely powerful information that you have. Okay, so that is the again, DS University for more in-depth training. There's a lot here to cover, so we'll be here all day if I went into all of the different things that you can do with just DS Social alone. So that is a fairly comprehensive overview of the entire digital staple platform. There's a few things that we didn't cover, but we will cover inside the system. Okay, DS University will cover everything that you could possibly ever need to know about that. So as you can see, this is a pretty powerful all-in-one marketing solution. So yeah, hopefully that has shown you the power of digital staple, and you can see just really what this can do for your business. So again, this is Tristan Bull here. Thanks for checking this video out, and hopefully I look forward to working with you soon.